Hello and welcome to another update video about Harmony 1. We did it. We broke above this broadening descending wedge that I talked about in my previous video. A bullish pattern, as I mentioned. However, the daily candle hasn't closed above this level yet. This level is at around 31, just below 31 cents, yeah. But we broke above it. When I made my last video, we were just about to break above it, but it was essentially a fake out. Now, nevertheless, we found resistance up there, came down, found support at the 20-day moving average very clearly, as you can see here in teal, and even dropped briefly to the 50-day moving average when Bitcoin was dropping again quite significantly. But there we found support. The daily candle, the daily open was at the 20-day moving average, and we are now here up there at around 33 cents. So we are getting above this line we are holding at the moment, and even though the daily hasn't closed there yet, we can see that we had a 4-hour close above this horizontal resistance line. Now this is always important, you know, 4 hour is at least, it's not as significant as the daily, but this could be the real breakout, because look at the volume that we had. You know, here when we tried it before on the 21st, we didn't have the volume, and look at what the volume is doing. It's amazing, it's good, and whenever you get that volume, then you can break a level, right? And this is what it's doing, and it seems to be successful. And I did tell you, if we break above the 31 level, then we can move to much higher levels here. Next level is, or next key level is that significant high here from the 30th of October. Now that was at around 34.5 cents before we then can move to, the all-time high, which is currently sitting at around 38 cents, and from there on then we can break through and move to the 1.272 extension level at 45 cents. 55 cents is then the 1.618, the 200% is the 66 cent level, and 2.618 fib level is at 84 cents. All of that in my view is possible in this out season, maybe even $1 and maybe even more early next year. I believe in that, you know, I believe in Harmony, really good project, and that is very important that we broke out of this descending broadening wedge, a rare pattern, but it's a bullish pattern, yeah. And I did mention it in the last video, and it plays out like that at the moment. What makes me confident is that we have the volume. I mean, it could still be a fake out, but we have the volume, and the 4-hour candle broke above that. So yeah, just that quick update for you. Looking good, you know, that support level now is at 31 cents. So if we retrace further, we could find support here at 31 cents. Now, if we lose that level, then it's likely that we come down again to the 20-day moving average here, which is currently at 28.3 cents. And if we lose that, we could come down to the 50-day moving average, which is currently at 26.6 cents. So that 26.6 is also quite close to 27 cents, which is the 0.382 fib level. But overall, you know, we seem to be holding at the moment. And I think, you know, if this is only a brief retracement that we're doing now, and you can see that here, just a little bit of a wick to the downside. If we come down a little bit, just a little bit, we have the first line of support here at 31.8 cents, which is the 0.214 fib level. So this is all quite interesting, you know, Harmony 1 finally moving after that bullish consolidation here. Hope you liked that quick update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.